Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn what is social structure. Introduction. The social structure includes elements such as social institutions such as family, government, education and religion. Social hierarchies such as class, race and gender, and social network such as friendship circles and professional associations. These elements shape how individuals interact with each other and how power and resources are distributed within society. Social structure is not fixed or static, but rather evolve and changes over time as societies and cultures evolve. It can be analyzed and studied through various social scientific methods, including sociology, anthropology, and political sciences. Definition of social structure. Social structure refers to the organized pattern of relationships and institutions that make up a society or group. It includes the various social institutions such as families, schools, and governments, as well as the different roles and statuses that individuals occupy within those institutions. Social structure also encompasses the various social norms and values that guide behavior within a society, as well as the pattern of power and inequality that shape relationships and interactions between different individuals and groups. Overall, social structure provides a framework for understanding the social organization of a society and the ways in which individuals and groups interact within that society. Characteristic of social structure. Number 1. It is a pattern system. Social structure is not random but rather follow certain patterns that are shaped by social norms, values and institutions. These patterns provide a framework for understanding social interactions and relationships. Number 2. It is shaped by culture and history. Social structure is influenced by the cultural and historical context of society. Different societies have different social structures that reflect their unique histories and cultural values. Number 3. It is dynamic and changeable. Social structure evolves and changes over time as societies and culture changes. New social institutions, norms, and values can emerge while old ones can disappear or be transformed. Number 4. It is interconnected. Social structure is made up of multiple interdependent institutions and relationships such as families, schools, and governments. These institutions and relationships shape and influence each other, creating a complex web of social interactions. Number 5. It is both constraining and enabling. Social structure can both limit and enable individual behavior and choices. While social norms and institutions can constrain individuals, they can also provide opportunities and resources that individuals can use to achieve their goals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe for more videos.